At some point or another, we have to realize that we can't do this by ourselves. We cannot do this thing called life by ourselves. And somewhere in time, these the three words that I'm about to say, has come off as weak. I need help. Are those really weak words to say? Think about how vulnerable you'll have to be in order to utter those words to someone. Think about the level of trust, the level of safety, the level of security that you feel in order to tell someone that. Maybe it's not even that. Maybe you're just desperate. You're like, I don't care if you can help me. I don't care how you think about me, what you think about me. I need help. So in our desperation and our vulnerability and our need for connection to people is going to allow for us to utter those three words. And contrary to what people may think, our world may think, those are not three of the weakest words. It's actually the opposite. It's three of the strongest words you can say, because it takes courage, it takes a level of boldness, it takes a level of vulnerability and transparency to say, I need help. And everybody needs help. I need help right now. Will you help me? You wouldn't even know it unless I said it, right? So what will it take for us to let our guards down, let those walls down, if you will, and let someone in to help you? I know there's a small difference, or there's something that separates help from hurt. How will we know the difference? It's called discernment. Some people call it intuition. What does your intuition or discernment tell you? What is your gut feeling? Some people also use that as a synonym. What does it tell you? Is this person the right person or the wrong person? You don't know? Observe the person for yourself. Remember, communication is not just verbal, it's nonverbal. What is the person's actions communicating to you? Can you trust that this person will help you? What do you think? So when you need help, realize that help can only be an arm's length distance away from you. But it's up to you to voice that. Sometimes we don't get the help that we need because our actions, which also is a form of communication, doesn't communicate that we need help. You know how pride can get in the way. It's time to put the pride to the side and say that you need help. If you need help, get help. The very things that you're trying to do to bring people toward you can push them away from you if you're too prideful to say that you need help. And this is something that we're all at works in progress with. I get it. When are we going to start the process of changing our behavior? Why not change today? Take the first step. It's the hardest step, but it's the most important step because it's a step in the right direction. Will you say you need help? I'll help you. If your actions and or words communicate that you need help, and you're not weak because you need help, you're strong because you're able to and willing to admit that we can do this together.